Hi everyone, I am Yasuka and it's time for Massage Monday. This week, the massage maker Naipo sent me this rechargeable air compression leg massager. So I'm going to try this and review it. I've always been interested in trying these kind of air compression massagers, so I'm very excited. Let's see what's in the box. Here's the compressor, some screws which you don't need for now, power adapter, a manual, leg massager sleeves with air hose. One is labeled L for left and R for right, and 20% off coupon. Let's charge the air compressor. It blinks during the charge. It took me about 2.5 hours to charge this unit initially. When it's fully charged, it stops blinking. Insert left side and right side. Now I'm going to try this on. It has very sturdy Velcro strips for the calf section and foot section. Whatever the material it's made of, it's making my foot warm just by putting these on. This side I'm just going to put my leg through the opening. Okay, let's turn this on. Malfunction? It turns out it doesn't work when it's plugged in. After unplugging from the power adapter, it started working. It's very hard to see on the video what the unit is doing, but as soon as I press the power button, it starts to inflate. There are 2 modes, 1 and 2, and 3 intensities. By default, it's in mode 1, which is the combination of the entire leg compression and calf compression and foot compression separately. It repeats compression and release. Mode 2 alternates calf compression and foot compression. The compression intensity can be increased to 2 and 3 by pressing the top button. At level 3, I can really feel the calf and foot squeezed. I've tried this lying down on the floor too, and I could feel the pulsation in my calves and feet at high intensity until it releases the air, just like when you're checking the blood pressure on your arm. You can further control the compression level by tightening or loosening the Velcro strips. Calf muscle is called second heart because it pumps the blood back to your heart as you use it. This massager definitely helps with the pumping action. And because it helps with the pumping of the calf muscles, I'm sure it helps with the circulation in the lower extremities too. Some notable warnings. Do not operate under a blanket or pillow. Do not operate where aerosol spray products are being used or where oxygen is administered. This unit should not be used if you are pregnant. Do not use this in a humid environment like a bathroom to avoid electric shock or other safety issues. You should read the entire warning section in the manual before use, of course. The back of the controller has a hook. Once you like the setting, you can hook it onto the edge and be hands-free. The unit automatically shuts off after 15 minutes. You should rest it for 30 minutes before using it again to avoid overheating. With one initial charge, I did about 5 sessions and it still had battery left. I love the portability of this massager, and because it doesn't operate while it's plugged in, I charge it after use so it's ready to go when I want it the next time. Naipo has a great offer right now. For a limited time, you can get more than 50% off on Amazon with the code 9JVBATNQ. Here's a proof. Currently on Amazon, it's $84.95. After applying the code, it's reduced by $44.96 and it becomes $39.99. This code expires at 11:59 p.m. PDT this Sunday, March 15th, so click on the link below now. Thank you, Naipo, for sending these. I will give these my thumbs up. Thanks for watching. I'll see you back next week. Make it a great week. Feel free to comment below and please don't forget to subscribe.